Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box. They also have the Best Bead Box XL. The best thing to do is go to the link below. I'll leave a link for their subscription boxes. Check them out, see which one's right for you. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look for May. This is May's box, 2022. And the theme is May in Bloom. Add a little spring to your step with hues of fresh blooms, new growth, and revived inspiration. On the back is a list of the products that come in the box. You get one pattern with the Best Bead Box, and today's pattern is Crystal 2-Layer Flower Bracelet. That's really pretty. It looks like it's pretty much made all of bicone crystal in that beautiful button. Gorgeous. And you know, you get the illustrated instructions, which are really easy to follow. Alright, first we'll take a look at the pattern, the materials or the ingredients for the bracelet. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the ingredients for the Crystal 2-Layer Flower Bracelet. Okay, we got Potomac crystal bicones, 3 sets of 4mm. Let's go ahead and look at those. My favorite color still is that cyclamen opal, or that amethyst opal. And like I said, these are Potomac crystals. They look uniform. The holes look very smooth. And look at the sparkle. Very pretty. Let's put them right there. And the second set, what was the color listed as? Lavender Opal. These are Emerald AB. It doesn't have an amount or anything listed. Okay. Ain't those pretty? Let's see, the holes in these look slightly different. There we go. See that? Oh, maybe not. They might not be. It's just a color difference. Right? And light tanzanite AB is the third 4mm bicone color. Potomac crystals again. Oops. Alright. So, and then we have Miyuki seed beads in 11-0 and matte silver line dark smoky, probably topaz. Or amethyst. Smoky amethyst, maybe. It's a pretty color. Alright. Potomac Crystal Rounds, 2 mil. Gold Champagne. 2 mil, huh? Small. Baby, stop. Baby. Let's look at these up close. Let's see. Two mils really small. Excuse my cat, please. She's in a playful mood. Alright, so that's the crystal seed beads, and next and finally for the pattern ingredients is the pewter button, which I think is adorable. It's the shank. Let me zoom in. Pretty button. And the button shank. So there is the pattern ingredients to make this flower bracelet. A 2-layer flower bracelet. Okay. Next will be the beads for the stash. Round duo beads, 5 mil. Alright, here is 5 mil round duos. See, they've got the 2 holes. I love working with these. In a beautiful blue, what's it say? White baby blue luster. Really pretty. I love round duos. And there's 35 of those. Silver plated knot cover beads. I think that is these. Not covered. Well, they're like clamshell tip. I think. Let me look at them. Yeah. Closed clamshell tip. It's like ending, you know, for a necklace. There. You put the knot up, or you cover the knot, or cover the crump bead in here, squeeze it shut, and this will make a closed loop after you squeeze it shut, and then you just attach your chain or your closure onto that. Does it say how many? Pack of 36. Silver plated rounds. Oh, look how small. Yikes. Pack of 100, 2 mil. Pure silver plated brass beads. These are tiny, 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 tiny. They don't look so tiny because they're, of course, magnified so much on camera. Even when it's not zoomed in, it's magnified. Okay? See how the beads are so small. A pack of 100 does not look like there's 100 there, but there is. Oval jump rings. No focal in this box. this month's box, which, you know, is kind of hard to design. I like the gauge of these oval jump rings, and I like that, you know, the shape lends itself very nicely to closures because it don't put any pressure on, or, you know, pressure on the split or the open part. Let's see, they're open on the side instead of the ends. I think these are 5x7 mil oval jump rings. Does it say that? Yeah, 5x7, 18 gauge. Perfect. I love that strength you get from the 18 gauge jump rings. Alright, and then we have gemstone chip beads. Peridot. And 2 Blip Beads. I think we've received these before. Full Labrador, 6 by 2.8 mil. See, they're the 2 beads, round. Bigger than bigger in diameter than your average. Oh, why do I always forget the name of those? I'll remember when I am editing the video. But, you know, they're bigger in diameter. They're fatter. And that's it. That's the May 2022 Best Bead Box. I wonder what they added in here for the XL. They usually get quite a bit more on the XL. But, yeah, I'll see what I can come up with from this subscription, and I'll show you in another video. So if you like my channel, please subscribe. And thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.